Grand Rising, my kings and queens, and welcome back to GlamQueenofDIY. Now you guys, for today's do-it-yourself vlog video, I'm going to be installing a YITAHOME Ceiling Fan. Now if that sounds interesting, make sure you keep watching. Don't forget, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your post notifications. Alright family, let's get this video started. And this portion of the video is sponsored by YITAHOME, and I am collaborating with them for this ceiling fan light. Now you guys, I will include all of YITAHOME's information down in my description box. I will put their website link and also my $30 off discount link in that description. You heard me right. You can snag you 30% off right now off of one of these amazing ceiling fans. Now I'm just going to unbox it, you guys, let you see all of the pieces, and I am going to put this ceiling fan up. Now once again, YITAHOME, they also do sell on Amazon as well, but I will have all links in the description. Now YITAHOME is a leading furnishing brand, and they do offer high quality furniture, decor, and accessories, all designed to enhance your home both aesthetically and functionally. They do believe in creating very functional items for your home. Now you guys, this particular ceiling fan, you guys, it does have a remote control, so I can actually control it. With the ceiling fan, I can control the light, I can control the speed of the fan. You can also set it to run for a on time limits. What I'm saying, trying to say, you guys, you can set your time limit from 2 hours to 24 hours as well. But please make sure you do check out that discount code link as well. Now here I'm just pulling out all of the pieces, you guys, so that we can get ready to construct the fan. Now I will tell you, normally I don't like to use instructions, but when I looked at the instructions, it did kind of throw me off with how they had the pieces labeled in the instructions. So yeah, so just be mindful of that, because the name in the instructions, when you get ready to set up your light, it tells you something different from showing you the pieces. But either way, I just went back to my old know-how, look at it, figure out, and put it together. But I do think Miss Joanna, she did go ahead and send me over some instructions or a link so I can actually get this ceiling fan installed. But here I have all of my pieces, you guys. Now we're going to get ready and set up the ceiling fan. And I thought I was filming, you guys, but my camera had knocked off, so I did miss the portion of me taking everything down and putting it back up. But I will show you that in another clip, because I actually changed out 6 ceiling fans today. Your girl was very busy today, so we changed out 6 ceiling fans. But you will get to see how to actually do that on another fan. And I will tell you guys, this is a 52-inch blade ceiling fan. I'm telling you guys, it offers so much more air in the space, and I am loving it. And this is what it looks like now that I have it up. And I'm going to turn off the light to let you see, and we're just going to turn it on. Once again, make sure you go check out YITAHOME, and like I say, they have a vast array of product. I know for sure they have many items that you would enjoy in your home. Also, don't forget to click that description box link to score you 30% off this ceiling fan Alright, now once again, thank you, Joanna, for reaching out to me to sponsor this portion of the video. And don't forget to check my description box. It is always some useful information for you down in that description. And once again, if you're not a part of the Glam Queen DIY family, make sure you do hit that subscribe button. Tap the bell twice, it turns blue, and you'll know every time we're uploading. We do upload on Sundays, Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Fridays. Now, click that link and we'll see you in the next video.